How long this take you to come up?
Where you do it? And a little...
You know, sometimes I make the rhythm them too. Sometimes we have people with us link up with.
Stand by. You know these things because you work in radio. Several artists on one rhythm, defining feature of dancehall for so many years, and then not. What happened? Producers started focusing on singles, and juggling went the way of the wind. But are they making a comeback? And are they the key to the genre's success? We're going to discuss now with disc jock and music producer Michael Brissett, aka Liquid. Good morning. How are you?
I'm good.
Good to see you, man.
Same
Happy
to you.
New Year and all the best to you for this
Same
year.
to you guys.
More juggling this year?
Of course.
Rhythms this year?
Ready. I have 2 load up already.
Listen, we're listening to one now. This is 12 gauge.
Yeah.
What happened? What happened to juggling? Why did it die?
Remember, everything got through a phase still, you know. And, you know, it's just different stages in the music cause it. You know, sometimes, you know, artists grow, them want kind of just branch out and say, yo, I want it for my own one, you know, do them single. And sometimes you can't really get the artist what you really want to put the project together. You know what I mean? So sometimes you just say, yo, leave it alone now, man. Because I can't get a killer, I can't get, you know what I mean, a beanie or, you know, if you get your juggling panel level, you leave it. And sometimes you have juggling where you just hear a certain particular artist. So if you not really get them, it's like, the juggling not really come together.
How do you match the rhythm with the artist? Or it don't matter?
It matters sometimes because, you know what I mean, you have rhythms have moods. You know, rhythm are mood
Rhythm
and
personality.
Yeah, you know,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
every rhythm have it vibes. And sometimes you hear some rhythm, you can just hear certain particular artists on it, meaning, you know, the music what them sing, the topics what them always, you know what I mean, tend to discuss and stuff like that. You know? So.
But here's the thing with our rhythm, right? You can think that it's the beanie or the bounty on the rhythm that's going to shot, and you can get an artist's voice on the rhythm and him song break out and leave all them tune there. So, I mean, some juggling come up with 3 people, some come up with 30 people.
And that's the beauty of juggling.
Right.
Because, you know, it get unpredictable sometimes. Because sometimes you have some song like 3-4 weeks, them around the whole place on the rhythm, and you have a song come from nowhere, even artists you don't expect. And him just come and take over, and sometimes that give the rhythm longevity.
That's why I can't understand why we park it. Because if you can't get the artist you want, there's another artist on there who might be the one to break out. To me, dancehall without juggling is like a Nike shoes without the swoosh. Like,
yeah,
what?
because that, you know, the genre start from there, from slang thing. Yeah, go on with it.
No, but
you know, it started from slang thing, which is, you know what I mean, that was the first original digital dancehall rhythm jam is, you know, slang thing. We have like about 20 or 30 songs, and you have like about 10 versions of the slang thing. I have, the slang thing was reproduced, reborn again more than one time, and it hit same way.
and sample 1,000 million times.
And you understand?
Sim touched on it a while ago because I was going to ask the benefit of 90,000 artists and one single rhythm. What's the benefit of
Different
that?
artists.
Some people just kind of get annoyed with it and say, so him dep on a rhythm here too?
Yeah, but that's you. But if you hear your favorite artist on it, you're all right. And sometimes everybody have them favorite. And
Right.
everybody would like hear them artists on it. And different artists begin different diaspora, different country, different eras of the world. You know? So
And the nature of playing a juggling is that if it's 30 artists' voice, you're going to play the 10 per shot. Typically, anyway.
And, but eventually the music is released, and now we have the internet, so even if you don't hear them play upon the radio, them songs still stand a chance to blow up because yeah, Spotify, it's still out there to the world.
Platform.
You mentioned a couple big artists name just now. Do you want the big artists and all of the rhythm them where you come up with?
No, not necessarily. Not all the time, because sometimes you have some rhythm where you just want to focus on some young artists really and give them the shine and give them the light.
Again, how do you decide?
It's just a vibe more while, as I say, you know what I mean? Sometimes you just have a rhythm and you say, yo, this project, I'm going to just focus on some artists. This project, I'm going to focus on some female artists. Or this project, I'm going to keep it straight culture, reality, straight motivation. You have to really sometimes just have a team, and sometimes the music just jump out.
Yeah, you have
Sometimes we just play a rhythm and an art. You don't even know who may show up at the studio. And it end up, you don't even plan to start work on the rhythm, and it start work on.
dancehall rhythm is one thing. What about reggae juggling?
We need some more of that right now.
My goodness,
We need some
man.
more reggae juggling. I just attack, not only me, but overall as a selector playing, we need some more juggling, and we have a reggae artist them, and you know, I kind of see them, enough of them relax. Me say that. I not say them nah do music alright, but we not get no music right. We need some more reggae, like more reggae juggling. So I know enough artists that work on their album and all of that, and sometimes you have the fact of artists signed to the big labels, them can't release like them want to. And sometimes them depend on the juggling, you can't release them because the label have a plan for them already. You can't go against them all. You know what I mean? So a whole heap of factor in the music, man.
So do you think that the absence of juggling, because dancehall is taking a beating worldwide. You know, here comes Afrobeats, lick us off, all the chart gone, dancehall chart, Afrobeats, Billboard said nope, not dancehall, Afrobeats. Do you think the absence of the juggling in both the dancehall and the reggae space has hurt us, has hurt the music, has hurt the genre?
Yeah, it hurt the genre a little bit, because you have to understand, so in places like Europe, where them look for that reggae juggling, you know, more than anything else sometimes, definitely hurt them, certain market. You know, the Caribbean is a very strong market where reggae, when consume reggae music, very hard, same way.
Europe.
You know what I mean? Europe and
so the resurgence
Africa.
now, we're good.
Yeah, it's a good thing. 2024 are going to look good for reggae and dancehall.
How do you come up with the rhythms? You just sit down and...
Yeah, me come up with the rhythm sometimes. Sometimes my brethren them just have a bad rhythm, we just listen rhythm.
Yeah, but how you come up with it personally?
Me? Yeah, just a vibe. Sometimes I just have an idea, and I say, yo, would I like? Or sometimes we just in the studio and start from one sound to the next. Or you just say, yo, I definitely want to sample this, or I definitely want to make a rhythm with this type of sound. Or
when you say you just have an idea, give me an idea of an idea.
An idea of an idea, you can just you can make a sound on the desk and we just like it and you go from there. I'm gonna say, yo, record that. And you know, with the equipment, with the software and stuff what you have now, you can even change this sound to something else by tweaking it, pitch or whatever. And
that's it?
Yeah, or you can just, and you put it through some plugins and thing, and that CMU become a different sound. You don't even know. Then you put it in your MIDI controller and your keyboard, and you can play that sound in different keys and turn it in enough things.
Let me ask you how does the earning now look for? I mean, one time you used to be able to sell like a juggling to a VP, or you know what I mean? What does it look like now that the industry has changed so much? Can producers still earn? Still earn,
but definitely we have to do more promotion, same way. We definitely have to promote the music, because sometimes we think they're at a point where it's not. Just because of the energy we get from Jamaica itself, and or it big and it around the place. Sometimes when I reach, they don't pass Miami.
It don't pass Palisades.
You know, so we really have to put in the work in promoting the music. And you know what I mean? Sometimes when it cool down and so, the world just already for it. That don't mean say it done. It just ready in the world. So we have to kind of spend some more time. But you don't know through music make fast at Jamaica, you know?
So tell me about the two you have lined up now.
Well, I have the remake of the 12 gauge, what we call the 20 gauge for release. That's
a lot of gauge.
That
sounds powerful.
Plenty gauge.
Yeah, you know, dancehall have many faces, many vibes, many moods, you know? And I have a rhythm called the Narcissism, which is, you know, more of a feeling, more of a in your feelings, in your vibes. You know
that's reggae? That's reggae?
A crowd between reggae and dancehall.
Oh, very nice.
So very moody.
Are you going to tell us who's on any of them, or is that?
Well, from here we go moody and in your feelings, chronic lad upon it already.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's not saying, you know, I followed it well serious same way. We're ready and up and running, you know?
Excellent.
All the best, President, and well done. Keep on
man,
doing,
and thanks for having me.
Yeah, man, keep on doing what you do.
Definitely.
Where Liquid come from?
Liquid is a name where, you know, I'm a brethren from Mobile. Mr. Bullins, Pier 1 chef over the years, used to call me the name there. As a teasing me for the original name, we used to go by the name Lippo. And he used to say Liquid, and I said, yo, stop calling my name, stop calling me Liquid. And I'm forward that town and get the opportunity to change my name, and I decide to say, the only name that come to mind that really makes sense. I'm saying, more use it, you know.
I did like Lippo still.
You did like it?
Yeah, what's wrong with Lippo?
Yeah, which artist we must look out for this year?
Look out for the Blind Youth. I don't know his name. I don't remember his name, but him have a vibe. Him there on Russian rhythm.
Nige boy.
Nige boy.
Okay.
Yeah, man, look out for the youth there. And whole heap of young artists out there I grow right now. But look out for the youth there, because he have potential and he have a vibe.
Yeah, man, good to see you.
Can we talk to Nigeria boy and say?
More I make a rhythm called Neville.
Never.
Neferil. Never sound too serious.
Yeah,
It's dancehall. It's a name Neferil.
Yeah.
You have to name
Sim
it
Nev.
Neferil Trill.
Sim Nev.
I never see him.
That's a go bad. That's a go mad.
Sim Nev. No,
Let's do
hey,
it.
don't play me in a yo.
No, man, I'm sure you say we come up with the name them
But
same
who get
time.
publishing after that though?
No, you don't get publishing for the name, for name in the radio.
Hey, but we are the inspiration, sir.
You know?
We work out a different thing.
Take care, my brother.
Yeah.
This champion music producer, Michael Brissett, a.k.a. Liquid, Sim Nev.
Can work.
And we all work out the dance.
Watch 24. Yo, 24 go by it. It's a shock dance. You know, see, it's a rhythm. Come Nev, it's a shock. Ready? Hey, it's a shock. Oh, hey, all right, take it, master.
Here, guys.